is my compost tea. I'm going to dilute it and then use it to feed my fluted pumpkin plants. This is my chicken manure brew or chicken manure, poultry manure tea. It goes by several names that I have been working on for the past 7 days now. I made this out of poultry manure, composted poultry manure, and water. So what I did was put some of the poultry manure in a bucket. Well, I put it first in a pillowcase and then poured water in it. The ratio 1 part of the poultry manure to 3 parts water, and then just set it here in the garden in a spot that receives sunlight. And every day I come out and stir and just stir. Believe me or not, it doesn't stink. And when I knew that it was gonna rain, I would just cover it. So we want to keep it exposed. I'm going to show you the type of compost that I use for it. This is the chicken manure that I used to make my chicken manure brew or tea. It is already composted. That's what we have. We don't have chicken droppings over here. Chicken manure tea is used to quickly give plants, young plants, like nutrients really fast. So rather than using the solid manure and all, if you prepare the brew, then your plants can absorb it like pretty quickly. I intend to use it for my ugu and for my peppers and also for my bitter leaves.